What if production line could think ahead, predicting issues before they happen? That's the power of data-driven services and in transforming manufacturing as we know it. Data-driven services are transforming manufacturing and production worldwide, moving companies from reactive to predictive and even prescriptive operations. Global spending on digital transformation is surging, with manufacturing leading the way. Companies that use real-time data, analytics, and connected digital platforms powered by dedicated sensor, gateways, and industrial PCs are already achieving double-digit improvements in machine downtime, throughput, and labor productivity. At FlexLink, data-driven services are at the core of our strategy. Our digital service portfolio focuses on advanced data collection, analytics, and seamless integration, giving both our customers and FlexLink the ability to make proactive, data-based decisions. We are building an integrated digital ecosystem, a portfolio of standard and custom applications like condition and production monitoring that connects effortlessly with customer system and third-party platforms. These tools reduce unplanned downtime, optimize maintenance schedule, and enhance safety, delivering measurable ROI and supporting long-term service partnership. We are expanding into cloud-based monitoring, AI-powered diagnostic, and open interfaces for full system integration, ensuring we stay competitive in the era of Industry 4.0. For us, data-driven services aren't just a technology upgrade, they are a strategic enabler. By investing in scalable, open digital platforms, FlexLink becomes more than a supplier. We are a long-term partner, helping customers secure efficiency, predictability, and sustainable growth. Let's shape the future of smart manufacturing together. Visit our website and contact us today.